What is going on, guys? It's Kevin back again with a quick new video, just letting you guys know what I've been doing and what I've been working on. Now, as you can see, I am here with the Beast, and unfortunately the Beast will not start. It's had a starter issue for a while, and it would click, and then eventually start, but unfortunately today it didn't want to start at all. I did have to get the dolly and go pick up a Honda Civic hatchback that I bought this morning. But that's not going to happen. I'm going to have to get a starter and put on this thing. But I have a lot of stuff around here in the shop that I want to show you guys that you hadn't seen yet. So let's get to that. All right, so you guys already know Susan. She just sits there and chills. I drive it around the block every now and then just to make sure that the motor and transmission is still good. The worst thing you do is let a car sit for too long without starting it, going through the gears and driving it a little bit. Don't really get it on any kind of main roads, just little back roads just to keep the fluids going.
What the fuck is this piece of shit?
This is a 1984 Nissan 720 pickup truck, and of course the reason that I got it was the bed on it. I actually paid $300 for this truck. It does start up, it does run, it's a carbureted engine. I had to do a few things to it to get it where I could drive it down the street and back, but I'll show you guys that on the next video. Well, on the video that I make of this thing. And of course, you guys know about the Lexus Sport Cross. Now, the sad thing about this car, it is ready to run and drive on a daily basis. There is absolutely nothing wrong with this car. Like I said, it runs, it goes through the gears good, it has AC, ice cold AC actually, but the fact that I was so excited about getting this thing done and using it as a daily driver, when I did get it done, it's just so many other things going on that it was kind of put to the wayside. But I do need to pull it out. I do need to get it cleaned up and probably, yeah, start driving on a daily basis. But for right now, it's just sitting here. It's not going anywhere. There's nothing wrong with it. But I do have another car that I want to show you guys that you haven't seen yet. So let's go out to the front. Okay, of course, you guys have seen this car. This is the Civic. Now, the funny thing about the Civic is I want to say I lost a little motivation on the car. Not really a whole lot, but I posted it up just to see what somebody would give for it. And I posted it up for some incredible, insane amount of money. And literally, I could not get my phone to stop ringing with messages with people wanting to come out and get it. I mean, literally begging and offering more than what I had it posted for. But this thing is still just incredible. Starts up every single time. Let me show you guys here. Oh, no issues whatsoever with this car. Considering where it came from and, you know, what it was like when I first got it, it's an incredible car. The only downside to this car, and the only reason I haven't driven it on any kind of daily issue, is because no AC. I can't do a car with no AC. So that's the biggest problem with this car. But if it did have AC, I'd probably be driving this car a lot more often. All right, last but not least, you guys haven't seen this car yet, so I'm going to show it to you now. But I do have a whole video that I'm going to show you guys. This is a 1998, I believe, Mitsubishi 3000 GT. This thing is in pretty good condition considering the year. It's got right at about 200,000 miles. The guy had this car posted for an insane amount. And I guess one day he was driving it and all of a sudden it shut down on him and he couldn't figure out what was going on with it. So I picked this car up for $400. Soon as I got it back, well, when I was out there, I already knew what was wrong with it. But as soon as I got it back here to the lot, I put one wire on the coil pack that had got brittle and broke off. And let me start it up for you. This thing is incredible. 5-speed transmission. He just changed the clutch on it. He just did both the head gaskets, the intake manifold gasket. He owned this car for about 15 years, I believe. He was an older guy. And as you can see, oil pressure is good. Everything is good here. No issues with this car. So I picked this thing up for a steal at $400 bucks. But like I said, on the on the truck over there, on this, and on the hatchback. No, I was not pulling a Mitch McConnell, guys. My phone was slowly dying. It was shutting down, and I was trying to stop it. But as I was trying to say, in the next few days, I'm going to make individual videos on the Nissan 720 pickup truck, the Honda Civic hatchback, and also the 3000 GT. I'm going to give you guys all the information on those vehicles, what I paid for them, what I'm going to put into them, everything that you need to know. Another thing, I'm going to start a new video series. I'm going to do it once a week, and I need you guys' help. If you have a project car, even your daily driven car, or do you see a car on Marketplace or Craigslist or wherever, offer up, that you see it and you're like, I want to get it, but I'm not sure if it's a good price, send me a picture with a little bit of information, and I will let you guys know what I will pay for your car. Send it to me on Instagram. That's Kevins.cars at Instagram.com. That's Kevins, plural, dot cars with a K, plural also, at Instagram.com. And I will make a video of your car. I'm going to see how many entries I get. I'm going to see how many cars I can roast. But I'll tell you my honest opinion about, if I seen your vehicle, how much I would actually pay for it. So yeah, that's it. Until the next video, guys, I will talk to you later.